Hi, Phil here from Sturbridge Yankee Workshop in beautiful Portland, Maine. Today we're going to demonstrate how to put together our Royal Stained Glass Leaf Lamp, which is item 42419. There's a couple things we want to show you just to make it a little easier for you. So you're going to have the metal base, and then you're going to have a finial. We're going to have a spacer, kind of a metal square spacer, and a metal threader. We're going to have a soft washer and a metal washer, which actually, when we put the glass shade on, you'll see the soft washer helps protect the glass portion, which is going to be going on top of the shade. This extremely beautiful stained glass shade. It's recommended to first you use up to a 60-watt light bulb right here, and it goes in there. Okay. I'm going to turn it off temporarily, but you can see how that. You want to take the metal threader, and it's going to screw in very easily, just like this. Just want to make sure it goes in all the way. Then you take the metal spacer, and just like that, make sure that's just in as such. You want to carefully just put the glass shade on. You kind of want to know where the light bulbs are a little bit, right there. And then this is going to actually kind of pop right in. You can get your glass. Right there, we're going to have the smoother side on top. We will take our soft washer first, drop that on to protect the glass, then we'll put our metal washer in like that, and then we will take the finial, twist it on like that, okay? And now, you can see. I hope this was helpful, and please don't forget to keep us in mind when you're shopping at www.sturbridgeyankee.com.